Hey everyone, welcome back to WealthWalk. Today I'm going to share something incredible. Imagine making money while watching YouTube videos. I've personally earned over $400 in a single day using this method, and I'm excited to show you how. Let's start with some interesting facts. According to a February 2024 survey, people worldwide spend an average of 17 hours watching online videos weekly. That's about 84 minutes daily. Most viewers don't earn anything from this time, but I've discovered legitimate ways to change that. Best of all, you won't need any initial investment, just your mobile phone. Let me walk you through the first platform, scoring.click. When you visit their homepage, you'll notice a sign-up button. I recommend creating a new Google account specifically for this, though using your personal account is also an option. Once logged in, you'll access your dashboard where all your earning opportunities await. Here's how you can earn on scoring.click. 1. Watch YouTube videos, 30 to 90 coins per video. 2. Complete tasks like posting on Facebook or installing apps, 10 to 10,000 coins per task. 3. Use their referral system. The process is straightforward. For video watching, just click Start, and the video will play. You can even let it run in the background while doing other activities. For task completion, you'll need to log in with your Google account and verify your email. Then you'll find various tasks like signing up for websites, 7,350 coins, downloading and registering for apps, engaging with YouTube channels, subscribing, watching, liking, and commenting. One particularly lucrative task category I've discovered is participating in market research surveys. These typically offer between 2,000 to 5,000 coins per completion, and usually take about 15 to 20 minutes. The key is to answer consistently and honestly, as these surveys often have attention checks built in. Another hidden gem is the daily bonus system. By logging in consecutively for 7 days, you can earn bonus multipliers that increase your earnings by up to 50%. I found that combining these bonuses with high-paying tasks during peak hours, usually between 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. in your local time, can significantly boost your earnings. Let me share my personal experience. I've earned over 46,000 coins on my account. While scoring.click doesn't offer PayPal payouts directly, you can convert your earnings to Bitcoin and then exchange them for PayPal funds using bestchange.com. There are plenty of YouTube tutorials showing this process. The platform also regularly updates its task list with seasonal opportunities. During major shopping seasons like Black Friday or Christmas, you can find special tasks that offer bonus coins, sometimes reaching up to 10,000 coins for a single completion. Many experienced users save their earning capacity for these high reward periods. The conversion rate varies by location. In my area, 100 coins equals $1, but your rate might be different, perhaps 50 coins per dollar, or in some cases 1,000 coins per dollar. The key is consistency. The referral system on scoring.click offers another excellent opportunity to boost your earnings. By inviting friends and family, you'll receive commission for each successful referral, creating a growing passive income stream. Consistency is crucial. The more time you dedicate to watching videos and completing tasks, the more you'll earn. Try to set aside specific times each day for these activities. Now let's discuss the second platform, kashadin.com. This exciting new website pays you for watching YouTube and Netflix videos, searching on Google, listening to music, completing simple tasks. They offer quick payouts within 24 hours after completing your first 3 tasks. Payment options include PayPal, bank transfer, Payer, or cryptocurrency. To get started on kashadin.com, 1. Click registration for free. 2. Enter your email and create a password. 3. Access the members area. 4. Start completing offers. Let me share some examples of available offers. Signing up for Canva Pro free trial, $13.25. Watching 1-hour educational courses, $10.35. The Canva offer is simple. Register for an account, start a free trial, and earn your reward. The course watching offer is particularly interesting because you can earn $10.35 per hour while learning something new. Remember, you must watch the entire course to receive payment. No shortcuts allowed. What makes these educational courses particularly valuable is that they cover a wide range of topics. From digital marketing to personal development, you can choose courses that align with your interests and career goals. This means you're not just earning money, You're investing in your personal growth. Some users have reported earning over $50 per day just from watching these educational courses while doing other activities. Another popular offer involves testing new mobile apps. These tasks typically pay between $5 to $15 per app and usually require you to use the app for about 15 minutes. This is a great way to discover new applications while earning money. Just remember to read the requirements carefully. Some offers might ask you to reach specific levels in games or complete certain actions within the app. An excellent feature of cashedin.com is their referral program, paying $2 per person who completes at least one offer. If you refer 10 people, that's an extra $20. You could even create content like this video to earn passive income. Imagine getting 5,000 views with 1,000 signups, resulting in $2,000 in referral earnings. What's particularly impressive about their referral system is its multi-tier structure. Once your referrals start bringing in their own referrals, you earn a small percentage of their earnings too. Some successful users have built networks of over 100 active referrals, generating consistent passive income of several $100s monthly. To withdraw your earnings, you'll need to complete minimum 2 offers, earn at least $20, choose your preferred payment method, PayPal, bank transfer, payer, or crypto. While most offers are available worldwide, some, like Netflix or Google-related tasks, are exclusive to US residents. However, there are plenty of opportunities for international users to earn. The platform consistently adds new offers daily, ensuring there's always a way to earn, regardless of your location. The platform also features special event weeks where they double or triple the regular payouts for certain tasks. These events typically occur during major holidays or at the end of each month. Smart users plan their activities around these events to maximize their earnings. I've seen some members earn over $100 in a single day during these special promotions. The key to success on both scoring.click and cashedin.com is maintaining a consistent schedule. Set aside dedicated time each day to complete tasks and watch videos. Many users find it helpful to multitask. You can watch required videos while doing household chores, or during your regular YouTube viewing time. One effective strategy I've discovered is to create a daily routine. For example, you might dedicate your morning coffee time to watching educational videos, use your lunch break for completing quick tasks, and spend an hour in the evening doing higher-paying offers. Many successful users report earning between $30 to $50 daily by following such structured approaches. It's also worth noting that both platforms occasionally offer bonus periods, usually during weekends or holidays, where your earnings can be multiplied by up to 3 times. By planning your schedule around these bonus periods, you can significantly increase your earnings. Some members have reported earning over $200 during these special events. A pro tip: join online communities and forums dedicated to these platforms. Users often share their experiences, tips, and alerts about high-paying offers. I've found several Facebook groups where members post about new opportunities daily. Some users have even formed small teams to share referral benefits and maximize their earnings. Consider creating a separate email account for these activities to keep your personal inbox organized. Also, keep track of your earnings and completed tasks in a spreadsheet to monitor your progress and identify which activities are most profitable for your time investment. Before you go, make sure to check out my next video about generating income using YouTube Shorts. No face or voice required. Thanks for watching WealthWalk, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more money-making opportunities. Drop your thoughts about these platforms in the comments below. Your experience could help others in our community make informed decisions about these earning opportunities. And don't forget to share your success stories. They inspire others and help build our supportive community of online earners.